You're not gonna wear a mask?
ごめんね。Okay. Ohayou! Where are we, Fumi?
Mogi Torre.
Ogitore. What are we going to do here?
Eat.
Eat. We're going to eat. We're going to barbecue and apple picking. Ooh, ooh.
Apple picking in Japanese is
Ringo Gari. Oh, nice song. You know that song.
I don't know. Left side, apple picking, Ringo Gari. The second one is apple picking and barbecue and gelato.
It's 2,100.
And the third one is apple picking and sweets.
It's 1,300. And then the last
Last one
one.
is apple picking and hot spring.
Wow! 1,600. So cool!
You can pick that apple.
So this is the apple picking
And
farm. And this is the free apple you'll get from the floor with bite. Yeah, bye. So bad farm, huh? Should we report?
No.
Why? Wow. Look at the apple. The apple is wrapped. Is it wrapped? Look, there's another bite. Oh my gosh. I told you. It's a free apple for everyone. Maybe it took a long time to wrap everything, right? Look. They wrap it. Every apple is wrapped with, what is this? Looks like paper. So there's a free apple again. Hello. Are you excited?
Yeah.
That's how excited he is. Like, yeah. Excited.
Yeah. Oh, red.
Ah, this one is reddish and small. Mite, mite. What is...
生ゴミ入れとおしぼり別々になってますんで。
皮ごと食べても大丈夫。
大丈夫ですよ。はい。
Okay. They have a free taste of apple. 3 types of apple. So this one is, I forgot the name. So we can select which apple do we want. Are you eating this one? Earlier we told you that we can only select 1 out of 3 types, but it turns out that you can pick anywhere in the farm. Maybe it's just like a free taste to decide what you want to eat or what you want to pick. Apples, we don't know what to pick. Here has many options.
Can you find red?
Super red? I don't think so.
So we just...
If it's good.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
We're done picking. We bought apples. Can you show it? We're now getting our food for barbecue because we're both hungry.
A few minutes later.
And with rice? Yeah, maybe they will give you rice. How many vegetables?
In the Philippines, if you do that, I won't get married. It's superstitious.
What?
If someone is eating and you're starting to clean up, I can't get married.
I can't get married.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm not gonna finish it. And he knows it. Are we going somewhere else? Are we going somewhere else?
Yes.
Okay.
Red bush.
See you later.
Red bush.
Bye bye.
Red bush.
Bye bye.
Red bush.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Let's go.